So it looks like there's an end in sight to Johnny Depp's UK libel case against The Sun. Let's look at this article together. Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's reputations at stake as judgment looms. It has been 3 months since the celebrity courtroom battle starring Johnny Depp and his ex-wife Amber Heard, containing serious and strenuously denied allegations of domestic violence, closed at the Royal Courts of Justice. Now Judgment Day in the libel case is about to arrive. Ahead of the ruling on Monday, legal experts forecast that victory for Depp could deliver a bonanza of fresh libel cases to the London courts if the judge finds for the Sun newspaper, which had Heard as its star witness. However, media reporting on public personalities may be emboldened. Film careers may be broken. Heard's roles in Hollywood are likely to be influenced by the verdict, while the future box office success of J.K. Rowling's Fantastic Beasts film franchise, in which Depp stars, may be at stake. Reputations hang in the balance. Though a libel case, Depp and News Group Newspapers Limited and another seem more like a criminal trial or a bitterly contested hearing in the family courts. Its final act could have repercussions for how domestic violence is viewed and dealt with in the justice system. That is very true. Depp, 57, sued The Sun's publisher, News Group Newspapers, and its executive editor over an article published in The Sun that originally carried the headline, "Gone Potty. How can J.K. Rowling be genuinely happy casting wife-beater Johnny Depp in the new Fantastic Beasts film?" Depp denied ever hitting Heard, 34. She submitted details of 14 occasions during their relationship when she claims he assaulted her. Both Depp and Heard gave evidence during the 4-week trial. News Group Newspapers is relying on the defense of truth to the claim. The burden of proof is on The Sun to demonstrate that the story was substantially accurate on the balance of probabilities. It remains to be seen. I have doubt that The Sun have actually reached this burden of proof. One lawyer has commented that this trial is the libel trial of the year, perhaps the decade, offering the public a rare glimpse into the life of two Hollywood superstars. The judgment, which arrives on Monday, has been even more hotly anticipated. The sort of conduct alleged is essentially criminal and also highly defamatory. That is to say, it tends to lower the claimant in the estimation of right-thinking people and cause them to be subject to hatred, ridicule, and contempt. This is even more so in the post-Me Too era. Depp denies the allegation and wants to clear his reputation. Depp virtually has his whole career at stake, a career that he spent more than 2 decades building. A sequel is already scheduled. Depp's $15 million, £39 million defamation claim against Heard, replaying similar arguments, is due to go before another judge in Virginia next May. Monday's judgment in London could prove decisive for that legal rematch. But what will be the outcome of this case? Who will win? I don't think The Sun has provided sufficient evidence to prove that their statement that Johnny Depp is a wife-beater is substantially true. I think a lot will depend on the strength of the evidence both parties have given, and particularly how credible Amber Heard and Johnny Depp come across as witnesses, as this is largely a case of one person's word against another's. Currently, Amber Heard is being investigated by the Australian Department of Agriculture, Water and the Environment after Depp's ex-employee claimed in the UK court that he was forced to lie under oath about her dogs illegally entering Queensland. So Amber Heard could face perjury charges which carry jail time of up to 5 years under federal law. There is email correspondence that shows that Amber Heard pressured Johnny Depp's ex-employee to basically commit perjury on her behalf. This is a very serious charge. This shows that Amber Heard may have the capability to be manipulative and to lie, and more importantly, to get other people to lie for her. This incident lends support to Johnny Depp's accusation that Amber Heard has worked with her friend to make up lies about Johnny Depp being violent towards her. Johnny Depp has spent time in court trying to show that Amber Heard was physically abusive. However, I don't think it's enough just to show that she was violent towards him, because that does not prove that Johnny Depp was not violent towards her. He needs to bring the credibility of Amber Heard and other witnesses for The Sun into doubt, which I believe he has done. It wouldn't hurt to have good character witnesses as well, to show that he wasn't a violent person. Two of Johnny's ex-partners, Winona Ryder and Vanessa Paradis, have come to his defense. Paradis described him as a kind, attentive, generous and non-violent person and father, while Ryder said he was never violent towards her. This evidence from his former partners will be strong evidence in Johnny Depp's favour. He has known these two ex-partners for much longer than Amber Heard, and he has children with one of them. So if he had a history of violence or being physically abusive, these women would surely come forward, especially post the Me Too movement. There are no secret recordings showing Johnny Depp actually being violent towards Amber Heard, only pictures of alleged injuries from both parties. So it is one person's word against the other, and Amber Heard's credibility has already been undermined. I think on balance, Johnny Depp's side has provided more persuasive evidence that he was most likely not abusive, and I think the Sun newspaper will have a difficult time showing that their comment that Johnny Depp was a wife beater was substantially true. But what do you think? Do you think Johnny Depp or the Sun will win this case? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, then give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe and to ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.